Assalamualaikum. I'm Fakhruddin. Give me a chance. Thanks a lot. I hope you are doing well. I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. Uh, Thank you. Say something about politics in Bangladesh. Uh, Bangladesh follows democratic system. Bangladesh politics is very important because we lives affect our every people, and this was a party become power this uh, rules follow and develop Bangladesh, and construction, I mean the school college building etc. So Bangladesh democratic is very difficult, and uh, main party BNP and Amul League. Amul League is a historical party. This founder, the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he was killed was 1975 military officers. As a, after that, Bangladesh politics is a very field, and the martial law, and then become same system. Jia Rahman is killed military officers, and Chattogram rest house that is a many years after 1917 1991 past Democratic Party BNP is become power. That Khaleda Zia is Prime Minister, first lady in Bangladesh. After that, current situation is very difficult. Interim government in power is our country. When Awamu League is win, blame BNP. This election is not fairful. Is a ringing of election. Is it must cancel this election, ringing election. When being Awamu League is win, same blame election system totally destroyed. So that we last to what is a Bangladesh will become this hesitant, restless situation become and develop. We are every before every Bangladesh, every citizen is a every citizen is a hope Bangladesh is a one day become a rich and fearful. We live each all we all peaceful. Thank you.
Thank you.